Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this guide video, I will show you how to get iPhone keyboard on Android phone. So in order to get the iPhone keyboard on Android phone, you'll have to download the specific iPhone keyboard application from Play Store. So what you have to do is launch open Play Store on your device. You can see over here Play Store has been opened. Tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now over here what you have to do is search for iOS keyboard. Now you'll be able to see the results over here. You'll be able to find several applications. Particularly download this application Keyboard OS 18. Simply tap on it. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. In this interface you'll be able to find the option for install. Simply tap on it. After that installation process will start. Here I've already installed it. After a while, instead of install option you'll be able to find the option for open. Simply tap on the option open. Now you can see over here you'll have to enable iOS keyboard on the next screen, so simply tap on the option OK. Now you'll be led to the on-screen keyboard interface. You'll be able to find the option for iOS keyboard. Simply toggle this button right next to the option iOS keyboard. This input method may be able to collect all the text you type, including personal data like passwords and credit card numbers. Tap on the option OK. Now after doing that, go back to the application iOS keyboard. Now tap on the option change keyboard. Now you'll be able to choose the input method. Tap on the option iOS keyboard. Now in order to test the keyboard, tap on the fill test keyboard. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to see the iPhone keyboard over here. So like this, you'll be able to get iPhone keyboard. So that is how you get iPhone keyboard on Android phone. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.